Hey, what is going on today, guys? So, yeah, I want to spill that. So I got the flex tape wheels in my bag, and I'm going to put those on my wet weather board and just see how the flex tape does against some water. It's supposed to be waterproof, but figured I should test it since I already have the wheels flex taped, and yeah, just see how that goes from here. So other than that, let's get to it. And just gonna skate around and see how if the snow affects the flex tape at all. So other than that, here we go. Flex taped wheels, they did okay, but there's no real way to tell until the water really gets in there, but they seem to do just fine. See, I think there was one I started to break through. Yeah, this one, I don't know how well you can see it. I'm starting to get through the layers on that. And so yeah, other than that, the flex tape has held up pretty much as advertised, pretty much worst conditions you can put them through, or put it through. Because skating like wheels just are not super easy to, I guess, tough it out through, and so I commend flex tape for that. But other than that, like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys next video.